Welcome! This is a video introduction to Manuscript 711 at the Public Library of Bruges. This manuscript was made in Bruges shortly after 1456. It is an illuminated devotional manuscript in Dutch, which contains 5 rhymed prayers and 1 short prose prayer. It opens with a beautiful miniature of the Last Supper. The first rhymed prayer is the Lof van het Heilig Sacrament, or Praise of the Blessed Sacrament, by the Brugian rederijker or rhetoriker, poet, playwright and chronicler Anthonis de Roovere, who died in 1482. This is a very old copy of this famous poem. The last folio contains an acrostic. From bottom to top, the line initials spell out the name of the poet Anthonis de Roovere. This miniature depicts David. It is a later edition, probably from around 1500. And this is the start of the prayer Miserere mei Deus. This is also the first text in the famous Middle Dutch Gruuthuizen manuscript. In red, we have verses in Latin taken from Psalm 50, and the prayer itself, in black, is in Dutch. This miniature shows Mary with the Christ child. And here begins the rhymed Marian prayer, Onzer Vrouwen 15 Blieskepen. The prayer discusses 15 joyful moments in the life of Mary, from the Annunciation up to the Assumption of Mary. This miniature shows James the Greater. In the next prayer, O glorieus almeugende God, or O glorious omnipotent God, the faithful confesses his sins to God. Folio 38 shows a smaller miniature of Mary with the Christ child. It is in the style of the famous 15th century illuminator Willem Vreeland. And here begins the Marian prayer, Och alder glorieus te drachten. The author is again Anthonis de Roovere. On the last 2 folios, which were originally left blank, a prayer in prose has been added around 1500, the 7 verses of Saint Gregory. The miniatures of the Last Supper, Mary with the Christ child, and James the Greater are in the style of the Masters of the Gold Scrolls and of the Masters of the Slit Eyes. They are executed in very bright hues and with a lot of attention to details. The Book of James the Greater, for instance, here, even shows the ruling and text. If you want to find out more about this manuscript, you can read a full description in our online catalogue, where you can also find a link to the digital images of the complete volume. This was a video introduction to Manuscript 711 at the Public Library of Bruges. Thank you for watching.